Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from SweetStamper.com to show you the September issue of Candy's Card Club. So Candy's Card Club brings you 8 projects using a single bundle and various supplies to create them. So let's see what is in store for September. I'm featuring actually a new suite that is in our September to December catalog. And Radiant Sunflowers is what we are using for the stamp set and the beautiful bundle that coordinates. So with Candy's Card Club for September, you will get a half a pack of this gorgeous, gorgeous Sunflower Designer Series paper. Yes, there are 12 amazing designs here, and you have lots of beautiful sunflowers in all different shades, and you have some great background patterns in excellent fall colors. With Card Club, you will also get, in addition to the half pack of paper, you're going to get these radiant gems that are part of the suite. Now you can see I've used quite a few of them, but I think you are going to love them as much as I do. Now, you're also going to get a roll of this checked ribbon. I think it's gingham ribbon, and it's actually Mossy Meadow and Very Vanilla. Now, the colors in the Radiant Gems are Old Olive, Golden Glow, and Secret Sea, and they're really, really lovely. So, with Candy's Card Club, in addition to all that, you're going to get 8 project packets. They are going to be sorted into individual envelopes. So you get your 8 Stampin' Up! Envelopes. And these are ready to stamp and assemble when you get them. So all the die cutting is done for you. And these are the 8 projects that we're going to be making. Now, if you do not have Radiant Sunflowers, well, if it's not available till September the 1st. But if you don't want to use Radiant Sunflowers, which you can add on, you can substitute with some other sunflower sets you might have on hand. So I always have at least 2 fun folds, and these are the 8 cards. Like I said, everything is die cut, ready to go, so you can stamp and assemble when you receive your kit. Candy's Card Club is available for registration through September the 12th, and I hope that you will consider taking my club. It is $45, includes shipping to your door for Card Club members. If you are not ready to jump into Card Club membership, you can take a single month for $49. I will say Card Club membership is a subscription run through PayPal. Having said that, you can use any credit card you want to run it, and you can unsubscribe at any time. But after 6 consecutive months, I'm going to send you a really nice thank you gift that includes about $25 of Stampin' Up! Products and some other little fun handmade goodies along with it. That is it for today. I hope you will consider September Candy's Card Club. Thanks so much. Take care, and God bless.